Let me ask you something. When was the last time you read a book? Not just because your teacher told you to, but because you wanted to. If your answer is, I don't remember, it's okay, you're not alone. Many students today think that reading is boring, slow, or only for top students. Some say books are too long, others say just I don't have the time, and many just prefer scrolling TikTok or watching YouTube because it's easier, right? But what if I told you that reading just 10 minutes a day could change your life? Reading can improve how you speak, how you think, and how you see the world. Even more, reading builds your brain, like going to the gym, but for your mind. I used to think that reading was boring too, but then one day I found a book that really spoke to me. It was short, simple, and real. And it made me realize that books are not just about facts, they're about feelings, stories, and life lessons. Reading is like having a conversation with someone wise without them being even there. And the best part is, today we have so many choices. You can read short stories online, comics, ebooks, or even listen to the audiobooks on your phone. You don't need to start big, start small. One page, one story, one idea. So today, promise yourself I will give a book a chance, because when you read more, you grow more, not just in school, but in life.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Shakil. I want to talk about motivation to be interested in reading books. In order to increasing the interesting in reading books, it's important to find a favorite genre, set a reading goal, and create an environment conducive to reading. So, reading a fun activity and don't force yourself. It can open new perspective of thinking skill and enrich your life. Here are some tips to around interesting in reading. First, find books that make you interesting. If you like sport, find book about sport. If you like interesting in history, reading history book. 2. Create a regular reading schedule. Set aside time every day to read. When is just for a short while. 3. Create a comfortable reading atmosphere. A quick, distraction-free place to read. Make reading a fun activity. Don't just read for a task or obligation. Enjoy the process of reading and find interesting thing in the book. 5. Don't push yourself. If you don't read a book, hesitate to stop reading and find another book and is more interesting. 6. Take advantage of technology. There are many applications and websites to provide electronic book and audio book that you can enjoy. 7. Make reading a habit. With a reading routine, the interest in reading will grow and develop. And interesting in reading books can be fostered by understand is what's reading benefit, such as increasing knowledge, improving thinking, and enriching life experience. Reading can also be a competitive form of entertainment, can help in overall self-development. Making reading a habit can bring positive on various aspects for life.
Now, let us introduce a meaningful book, one that has inspired many Malaysian readers, especially teenagers and young adults. The title is Bila Tuhan Kirimkan Burung, written by Samirah Nordin. It contains real-life reflections. Each chapter tells about a moment when people were going through pain, loneliness, or uncertainty, and how, in unexpected ways, help came to them. Sometimes through kind strangers, sometimes through nature, and sometimes even through something as simple as a bird. It's touching, it's honest, and it reminds us that even in our darkest moments, we are never truly alone, because hope always finds a way. The story in this book are short and simple, easy for anyone to read even if you're not a reader, but each story teach you something important about passion, about faith, about trusting Allah's timing. This book is perfect for students who feel lost, tired, or unsure about life. It gives peace, it gives strength. Personally, it made me cry, but more importantly, that it made me reflect. You can get this book in bookstores or Shopee or even as an ebooks. So if you're looking for a book that not just motivational but spiritual, personal, unforgettable, this is the one. Try reading it. You might find exactly what your hearts need. Thank you.
Tell you about a book I know. The book The Dreamer is a continuation of the novel Laksa Pelangi. Laksa Pelangi is tell the story of three friends. They are three friends, Akai, Arai, and Jimbo, living in property in Litung, Indonesia, but have a big dream. Attend high school, fight having to work part-time and fishing challenges. One of the most interesting story is how they promise to go to study at the Sorbonne in Paris. Extraordinary dream for a for a small village. The transformation, friendship, and hope are the heart of the story. The complex element of the human emotion, family, value, and religion. Its main focus is dream in the fight against poverty, education. Inspiring, their background is not a barrier to success. Touching the reader's emotion, realistic and touching characters. Cultivating the value of the friendship and the spirit of the never giving up. Giving eyes to the turn of the education system and community support. This book is a part of the Laksa Pelangi trilogy. It has been adapted to the silver screen, became a hugely popular film. Priya Harata, based on her true story life.